Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to use a bit more this BH Bronze Paradise palette. It looks like this. I did the first impressions about it, so I'll leave a link somewhere here. But I really liked this palette and the shades I used, but I didn't use a few of them, so I decided to use them. As you can see, I use this blue under my eyes and I really like how this looks. So if you like it and if you want to know how I created it, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. I'm starting with priming my lids with this Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'll set it with banana powder. First shade I'll take will be this matte peach shade, and I'll apply it just a bit as my transition. After that I'm taking this matte shade and applying it into my crease a bit. And now I'll take this, like, I don't know, orangey, reddish, coppery shade, and I'll apply it with my finger. Next I'll take this Revolution Pro concealer in the shade C6, and with a flat brush I'll apply it on my face. So I'll set under eyes with banana powder, and rest of my face I'll set with Rimmel Stay. So I didn't record it, I don't know why, but I used the highlighter on my face. And now I'm taking this contouring shade. I'll bronze a bit more with this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Dark Tan. For today's blush I'm taking this from Wet n Wild, it's in the shade Pearlescent Pink. And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna use this blue shade. Now I'm applying my Azaredo lashes, and I'll leave my discount code on somewhere here, and I left my lips for the end. I'll use this Essence lip liner in the shade Rosewood High, yes. And over that I'll apply Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. So guys, this is my completed look. I really like how it turned out and I love this blue under my eyes. So if you liked it also, please give it a big thumbs up, comment something if you want, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, bye!